Hey guys, welcome! Are you ready to take ordinary plastic eggs and creating some texture and painting them in the colors you want? You can add them to your Easter centerpiece or other display. Let's get started. You'll need a bag of plastic eggs from either Dollar Tree, and in my case, I got mine from Walgreens for $1.49. Give them a quick coat of white or off-white paint just to hide the color. This doesn't have to be pretty. Next, to help create that texture, you want to take some acrylic paint and a 50-50 mix with baking soda. I use the brand Craft Smart acrylic paint in the color Vanilla. You want to take your paintbrush and paint one side on all the eggs. Then, after 20 minutes, flip them to the other side and do the same. On my next layer of texture, I added a few drops of the Apple Barrel Matte in Cloudless color. You can start to see the layered texture. If you get a little impatient, like I did, waiting for the dry time, you can take out a blow dryer to speed up the process, or you can purchase from Amazon a hot air tool. They run around $15 to $20. Now you'll need to mix a new batch of the color that you want your eggs in. In this case, I use Cloudless and 1 drop of the vanilla. There should not be any baking soda in this mixture. Start painting your eggs. I did 3 in the Cloudless blue color. Because I didn't want to waste the blue paint that was left over, all I did was add Deco Art patio paint in the color Apple Green into my blue mixture until I got the green that I wanted. So somewhere along this process, I decided that I needed a third color. So I did do 2 additional eggs in the Craft Smart Grape Taffy color. I loved how these turned out, and it sure does beat plastic eggs on your centerpiece. As you can see, it was so easy to customize this to your own color palette, and it is a great way to test out this technique with the baking soda. This is going to give you the practice and confidence you need to tackle bigger projects using the baking soda method. An additional way you can display the eggs is in a basket. I had so much fun making these. I hope you do the same. Please consider subscribing as I post on a regular basis and would love to have you join me. Thank you all so very much. Until next time.